All right. Good morning, everyone. So today we have a beautiful model, and her name is Rose. Yes, Mrs. Rose. So we're planning to do a beautiful bangs. That's a new technique to how to create a beautiful bangs with a long layer. So remember, it's very important before you start doing the model and decide to do the bangs, you have to see if your model is qualified to have a bangs or not. How you decided? Stay tuned. Okay, so we almost done with the beautiful model, Rosie. This is the most important area I want to mention it. So I'm going to create a very soft texture on the top. So the best technique is if you have a thin shears with the 6 tooth only, that's the best technique you can do it. You just comb it forward. You just comb it forward. You put it behind, and just with that, go inside and just keep going. You only create a 6% of the very soft texturizing on the top of the hair. That's how much you need. It's only 6%. Thank you. Okay, so we're finally done with our beautiful model, Miss Rose. And as you could see, this cut is not even a style yet, but it's already gorgeous. It doesn't need a style, honestly. As you could see, we create a beautiful texture. We make a very soft bangs for her with a nice soft layer. And as you could see, let me take my roses out and shake it. And you could see all the beautiful layer, very soft. So if you push it down, you should see from short to long. When you go opposite, you see it from long to short. That's how beautiful it is. And this technique, honestly, if you don't talk, in less than 10 minutes, you could finish it. So now Miss Rose is gonna go to the side for the styling, and you're gonna come back to show you a final of Miss Rose. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. All right, so we're finally done with our beautiful model, Rose. Yes, as you could see, we create a beautiful bangs for her with a nice long layer. And as you could see how the middle part is shorter and a little longer on the side. And she is so happy. You could tell how happy it is. Yes, Miss Rose? Yes. Thank you very much.